Hello friends, I am Brigadier Sushil Bhasin, a master trainer, transformational coach, inspiring speaker and an author. Isn't it strange that with all the gadgets and devices, tools and technologies at our disposal today, more than ever before, we still struggle to keep our timelines. Logically, with all the time that we save due to this technology, we should be having abundant free time. But does that happen? Certainly not. We are still struggling to finish our jobs in the time that we plan to. Because this is leading to tensions, inefficiencies, and stress, I decided to work on this subject and bring out some solutions. Way back when I was in the army, we used to have a small notebook in which we kept scribbling all the instructions, orders, and tasks that we kept getting from our seniors from time to time. At the end of the day, you realized that you didn't even have time to read all of them, and whatever got done on its own. So I started working on some shortcuts, some processes to make sure that we completed our day's tasks on the same day. We started working, and as we went along, we found that our challenges were distilled into some methods which started working as time investment strategies. When I came into the corporate world and tried to apply my insights from my army's experiments, they were working in the corporate world as well. In 2014, I attended Brian Tracy's program on goal setting, and that's the time my ideas got filtered and refined. I've been doing goal setting workshops. I've done a lot of study on time and the way it works, and I've distilled all this into a book called $1 Million Second, being published by CNBC TV 18 and releasing very shortly. This book will change the way you think about time. I'm talking about conscious awareness of time and using it as a vital resource. So if you want to make sure that your life is full of satisfaction and fulfillment, then this book, $1 Million Second, is for you. Don't forget to order your copy on Amazon pre-order sale. Thank you.